Good morning, everybody. Back again. We're going to be changing that fan right there. No time to waste. Let's get into it, all right? So when you get up here, you're going to pull this down a little bit. Just go ahead and pull it down. So as you see up here, I'm going to push these in, and it's going to come down. All right. See how it came down? And we'll do the same thing right here. We'll push these in. Just disconnect this right there. All right. Now we're going to, there's a little piece of metal clip right here that's going into this hole. We're gonna push this up, kind of pry this out, and we'll get it. It's hinging on these two. This is gonna pivot down after we get it out of the hole, okay? There's that little lip. Okay, so I'm gonna try to push this in, kind of pry that out of there. Oh, it came out like that. So what I did is I pushed in here, got a screwdriver, kind of pry that lip up a little bit, it came out. Now you see that we got this one loose, all right? These two are gonna kind of hinge down. So as you pull this down, you'll pull this down, that, and it came out. This old housing is the same as the new housing. We're not gonna take all that out. We're not gonna disconnect the wire or anything like that. We're just gonna plug it back in. So I'll show you that in a minute. But I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. And the box is gonna come with this new housing and your new fan, all right? Just sits in like that, right? So you just wanna make sure everything looks the same so you can use the same housing that you already have up in the ceiling. All right, this is the exact same one. So there's no point in taking this out, rewiring everything. You don't need all that. Just when you go up there, make sure your flap does flap, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so we went back up here. We got it kind of cleaned out pretty good. I just want to make sure this flap is not stuck. So I'm going to grab my fan, and I'm going to line these two pieces up first. So I get in here. We're going to line these two up with that clip part. All right. And we'll push the rest up in. We're pushing it till it clicks into place. I want you to see what's happening here. It's in place. Now all you have to do is plug in. Plug it in. So my lid for my new one, I used on my rental property to make it all fresh. But this one's kind of, weathered a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it and just use the old one. So I'm using this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch to do the trick. This is about $6. So that didn't come out too bad with that paint. So just touch it up, make it look fresh. Now let's install it. So I'm gonna do this one side at a time. I'm gonna squeeze this and get it in the little spot that it needs to be. And we'll do the same to the other side. We'll take this, we'll squeeze it and get it into the little grooves it needs to go into. Push that up there. And let's turn our fan on. There we go. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe for us. I will go over this Nutone model 696N. We picked this up at Home Depot for about $22. So I just want to share that. Take care.